Mary Joy from CKA Asturias. In the blue corner, Ornito Queenie Rihan from CKA Talisay. And our referee in charge, our international technical official, Ms. Rafaline Corrales.
Let's proceed to bout number 97, female. Younger cadets, 42 kilograms, red corner. Mary Joy Joseph from CKA Asturias. And in blue corner, Queenie Rayan Orito from CKA Talisay City. This is scheduled for 2 rounds in the point fighting category. We have a winner by marginal point. And our champion for 42 kilograms point fighting female younger cadets with a score of 0-10. Blue corner, Queenie Rian Orito from CKA Talisay City. And we have a change of technical